guys, I'm back with another video. Now, most of y'all may have seen my video when I did the unboxing from Pink Motivation, where I showed my shirt and my mask. Well, this is going to be part 2 of it. This is what she sent me. It says Ash's Life YouTube. And yeah, so go check her channel out. Go check out Glitter Unique. Glitter Unique's the one that did this for me, and I really appreciate her and Pink. I love the shirt. And yeah, so go check. Oh, I love it. So go check them out. The links will be in the description below. I love y'all. Be humble. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Love y'all.